Warning: our YouTube channel and its videos may contain scenes, language, and content that may not be appropriate for all audiences. These videos include surveillance footage, undercover pursuit of suspects, actual police and rescue operations, and fearless confrontations. If you do not approve of the content, please do not watch our videos. If you wish to continue, we strongly advise that you proceed with caution. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Naalala ho ninyo noong 17 po na Abril, isinahimpapawid po natin ang panawagan po ni Genold Aguirre hinggil po sa kanya nawawala pong kapatid. 16 anyos po itong si Candy Aguirre na isa pong mentally challenged ay nawala po simula po noong March 21 ng kasalukuyang taon. Matapos po na may palabas po dito sa Kilos Pronto ang panawagan ni Genold, good news! Abay nakita na po si Candy.
Ako nga po wala si Genold Aguirre. Nagpapasalamat po sa Kilos Pronto. Nakita na po ang aking kapatid. Naway, lagi po kayong tumulong. Maraming salamat po.